Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to deposit in your Lightning Exchange. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for lightcd.com. So this is the website where you can basically deposit the money. So over here, you need to log in into your account. Then you will see this type of page in front of you. Over here, tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, then select the option of deposit. Now after selecting deposit, you need to select whether it is your first payment or your second payment. After selecting that, it is going to show you this type of page where you can tap on this drop down menu and select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to use in order to deposit your Lightning Exchange. So here, let's say you want to deposit USDT. So for USDT, you will also see a bunch of other options like USDT on the TRC20 network or on Polygon network. So you can choose any of the networks because in both the networks, the gas fees is very less. So let's say you have selected USDT on the TRC20 network. So after selecting it, simply enter the amount that you want to recharge your account with. Afterwards, tap on the submit option here in the bottom. Now as soon as you tap on the submit option, it is going to take some time and it is going to basically show you the QR code and the deposit address here. So you need to copy that address from here and go to your favorite exchange or your favorite wallet. From there, you need to simply send the money and it will come in your Lightning Exchange account very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.